Good Monday morning to you. It is March 16th. I'm Jackie Kostek in for Dana.
And I'm Adrena Sinclair. Good morning and good to be with you. Important morning here. We're under a weather alert as blizzard warnings are in effect. We're also tracking some school closures. You can see those continuing to roll at the bottom of your screen there. And right now we have team coverage to help get you out the door and start your day. Darius Johnson is in our mobile weather lab headed to the northwest suburbs. We got Kris Habermehl letting us know the impact this is having on travel right now as well.
But we begin with meteorologist Laura Bannon to track this all out for you. Laura, good morning.
Yeah, blizzard warning in effect until 1 p.m. today, and that is for DeKalb and McHenry counties. The rest of the area in the purple shading here, winter weather advisories. Snow and high wind. Those are the two main problems that we have this morning. Oh, and then the rain that we had last night. So that may have created a light glaze of ice on the ground this morning out on the roadways. And then we're putting down some snow this morning and terrible visibility. The worst of it right now is happening across our far north and west, extending into Chicago, where it does look like we're in a little bit of a lull right now, but the heaviest snow is falling to the west, and that's where we have the worst of the impacts this morning. Feels like temps will be better today, to the single digits, 8 degrees for a feels like by 9 o'clock, and it really doesn't get all that much better by the peak of the day. 11 degrees for a feels like as the snow starts to taper off by mid-morning. Afternoon, it'll be quiet, but we'll still have some blowing snow around. Let's check in with Kris. I imagine things are really busy in your department as we kick off this Monday morning. It was spring yesterday.
It was spring yesterday, and literally as soon as the snow started to move in, the temperature started to drop, and you got kind of a freeze underneath there with snow over the top. The reports of the crashes started coming in out Rockford, Belvedere, out in the 39 and I-90 corridor, western parts of Interstate 88. This is what it looks like right now. It looks relatively mellow on the Kennedy Expressway. As you get further east, the conditions get better, but as you can see already from our live shot here at Nagel and Bryn Mawr, looking at the west end of the Kennedy, it's busy already, and it's already very slow, and it's just going to get slower. So if you do have to travel today, make sure that you leave early. This is what it looks like with the radar overlay. We'll go ahead and get that out of the way and take a look at 90. Take a look at 88. Everything west of about the Tri-State Tollway is just barely moving along. So travel out there, not recommended. Conditions are very poor. Got snow over ice, low to no visibility, severe blowing and drifting, especially in rural areas there. If you live way out west there or northwest, work remote if at all possible here. So if you must travel, make sure the gas tank is full, your cell phone's up to snuff, and you have a way to charge it. Winter survival kit, a blanket, and other maybe some snacks and water in the car, and dress for conditions. Dress as though you will at some point have to get out of the vehicle just in case it conks out. Hopefully not, but if you're involved in a crash, no injuries, vehicles are drivable, move to a place of safety, preferably a parking lot well away from the live lanes, because everything is pretty slick. It's not really reflected in the travel volume map right now, but it will. It's going to light up very quick. So let's go ahead and get a live look and see how things are going out there. Here is Darius Johnson in Mobile Weather Lab. Morning, Darius.
Hey there, Kris. Good Monday morning to you. Yes, right now we are on I-290 heading eastbound, or heading west, actually. Go ahead and take a look outside of our window right now. You can just see what it looks like out here. It's really just a slushy mess. The roads are wet. The pavement is wet at this point, especially after getting a lot of that rain yesterday. And it seems like the snow isn't necessarily accumulating when it comes to the highways, but it's kind of accumulating on side streets and also on the side as well, right here, as you can see off to the side of the interstate. So that's what we're dealing with so far this morning. We know things are definitely going to get a little bit more dicey as we continue to head further west, so we'll continue to check in throughout the morning to see what things look like. But right now things are smooth sailing, at least for now, as we are slowly heading outside of the city. A lot of the streets in the city, and also just within the loop area, some streets were definitely flooded from a lot of that rain that we got yesterday, but I think with the warm temperatures that we kind of experienced, that has helped a little bit. But we know, especially as those temperatures continue to dip down low, it is definitely going to impact that morning commute. So definitely take it easy out on the roads, kind of watch it where you're going, because there are definitely big puddles of water in a lot of different spots, especially along the side streets. For now, we're live in the mobile weather lab on 290. I'm Darius Johnson. Ladies, back to you.
All right, Darius, thank you so much. And we saw the snowplows out overnight in Chicago and the northwest suburbs and Hoffman Estates. The Illinois Tollway says about 200 plows were dispatched to salt and brine the roads. They say the best thing you can do is lower your speed, stay clear of other vehicles, and then dial star 999 if you do need any type of roadside assistance. I'm sure that'll be helpful for a lot of people today. Make sure to stay in your car while you wait for help. Also, snow's been coming down at O'Hare, and that is leading to hundreds of flight cancellations. Just a few hours ago, we saw this light dusting on the planes. Right now, O'Hare has more than 60 delays and over 300 cancellations. Midway has 20 delays and 21 cancellations.